Hi all, I'm playing Grid 2019 and I can't change the audio files. I can add the audio files and put them as wave. So I found a stadium truck. Don't know if it's in the game or not, but I put it into the Commodore. But you can hear it, look. Holy crap. Listen to that. That's me Commodore now. Whoa. Ooh, now I got a nice. I added the stadium truck in wave format, so I don't know if it's the same sound or not, but whoa. Whoa, listen to that. Whoa. Fucking, whoa. Audio porn. No, it's not supposed to be in a Commodore. That's what you call nice. Now, definitely got to work Commodore. Now, is that a sick Commodore or what? Holy fat asses. I haven't got no internet on. Watch the replay. That's a sick Commodore now. When you guys say you're getting up on porn, audio porn. Unbelievable. Oh, I got turned on. Full volume. It'll blow me eardrums. That's not audio porn, what is it? Sorry. Got another cup in it. Is that audio porn or not? Yeah. Let's speed it up. Touch of dirt. Look at that. And sticking that in a mini. Oh, that's funny. Imagine a mini sounding like this. Hey, one minute. Now, is that not audio porn? Oh, bloody hell. That's gotta be audio porn. Nice, eh? Wonder if I got enough money to buy a stadium truck. I don't know. I'll have a look. I got points. It's just driving around in a circle. Oh no, wait a. What's the stadium truck, I wonder? Stock cars, maybe? Play that same one again. Why can't it just stay on there? I'll do a bit. 8. Well, there's a stadium truck in it. Only got 139. Nope. Where's this picture of the stadium truck? Oh, it's muscle. Pro trucks? I only want to drive by myself. 140. Oh, I can buy it. Oh, me purple truck. I love my purple. Everything's purple. I wonder if that sounds like the stadium truck. Oh, that Commodore. Oh. Yep. Sort of sounds like it. It's different sound, so it's a stadium truck. I wonder what this just sound like. Oh. If I take off, I get a better sound. So if you take off those 3, you get a better sound, because for some reason it blocks the sound down, because it's sounds different. So what's a stadium truck? Well, this is a stadium truck. I thought that was a stadium truck, isn't it? A stadium truck? Because I swapped the stadium truck over. Look. If you go to settings, see, look. Holden Commodore, and I swapped it over for... Where are you, little bastard? Yeah, V8 trophy truck. Oh, so this is stadium truck. Trophy truck. What's a trophy truck? This is not a trophy truck. Ah, alright. So this one's not a trophy truck. I think this game's got a sound limiter on it. I got my headphones on 100%, and that's not even loud. Well, not deafening me. And it's not frilling me brain out, because it's not getting there. And these are USB headphones, and they're loud headphones. Right. Normally, any other game, I play these headphones on probably 20 or 30 maybe, and that's loud for me. These are on 100%, and I can barely hear the game. So the game's basically got a 50% sound limiter on it, or something on it, because there's something blocking this audio. I can't get this audio louder. I'm drinking my coffee. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. But the game has got a speed limiter, like a sound limiter on it. It's blocking the sound. Why are they blocking the sound so low? Anyone else realise that their game sound is really low? Has it got like, play the game at 60% because we don't want to blow the eardrums off anybody's eardrums? It has to be, because these headphones play loud. I play music in these headphones, and I have to put it on 40, and that's loud for me. And that's deafening. As soon as I hit 50, I barely can handle these headphones. And these headphones have got some quite 50mm drives in it. And I've had them for a good 2 years, and they've worn in. Because once you buy a pair of new headphones, like anything, like speakers, you buy a new speaker, you basically got to put your speaker against the wall for a day just to run your speaker in, but not play it for high volume, just play it at low volume. Same as your sub. Basically, put your sub on for a couple of hours and play it in a decent bass on it, not loud, just to wear the drive in. People get these speakers and they plug them in, get home, boom, turn the stereo up, and the speakers can't handle it because they're not worn in yet. It's like headphones. You buy a pair of headphones, you turn them on a decent sound, you put your earplugs, if they fold down, on a table, and let them play for a couple of hours, just by himself. Don't put them on your head. Every time I buy headphones, I plug them in, I put them on like a radio or something, headphones. Plug them in, sit them down on the table for a day or so, like 12 hours or something, and just play it at a moderate sound and let it wear itself in. And then when you put the headphones on for the first time, you get the best sound. But this game has got a limiter on it. It's something blocking the audio. Anyone else have problems with their audio? This is 100% and I can't barely hear it. It's loud, but it's not loud. No, I've edited the audio so it's 3 times louder than from what it used to be. If you look at the audio file in Cool Edit Pro, the audio file is really low. I edit it so it's louder. So it is louder. Before I had the headphones on with 100%, I barely hear it. And I'm running a Sound Blaster Fidelity, whatever you call it, Fidelity, the red one, and the USB headphones. So, but there's something affecting the game, because I notice if you go over when the game starts, it's really loud. Like every time the game starts, I have to turn the volume down 20 or 30%, and then once you start racing, the sound disappears. Like this falls off the edge of the cliff. Anyone else hear that the sound is loud just before the race starts? You know, when I do the cutscene, it's loud. But when the game starts, there's like it drives me bonkers. So as soon as I finish playing this game, I have to turn the headphones right down to 50% or 40% to watch a movie because it's too fucking loud. And then if I forget and I put the headphones down after playing a game, put on a movie or music, blow me bloody head off. I've done it a few times in the last couple of days. I've left the volume at 100%, put them on, and it, you know, when you get that too loud of sound, it hurts your ears. I have to keep doing that. I have to put a note. I put notes all over the house now that please turn down headphones after playing Grid. Because if I don't, I'll lay me eardrums out. It's not loud. It's loud, but it's not loud. It's even quieter on the outside. Driving on the outside of the car, it should be louder than what the inside is, because the inside is muffled. Sound volume. sound volume from bumper to bonnet to in-car to back of car to extended car is all the same volume. They did something in grid 1, is they put a, I'll show you if I put it in. I haven't edited it because I've copied the cars over, but it's not actually the cars. So they're the cars, but they're not the cars for the engines. I haven't found them yet. They're all I can find is numbers. There's no actually a FAT in front of the engine because they don't. They're sneaky. So they got 24U. What the hell does the 24U go to? They show you text for the car, but I put a car audio setup file from Dirt because you can adjust the audio in the car setup. You can have louder idle or quieter idle. You can have louder rev line or lower rev line. You can change the turbo, the gearbox sound so it winds more. I've been playing around for months, 6 months or more, playing with Dirt's audio text files to get the sound balanced. In Dirt 2.0, I don't have to play the headphones at 60-70% and it's bloody loud. But this game, there's something wrong with the audio. They got a sound blocker on it. Did I put it back in there or not? Yeah, if you go down to... I did all these waves. But if you go into... Is that engine? Yeah. So if you go to engine... This is from grid 1. This is the way they used to do it. But if you look on here... Exhaust volume. 8%, I changed it. It's 6% at bonnet, 3% at the front bumper. So basically, the sound of the exhaust pipe, you don't hear it because you hear the engine and the front of the car. And then you got chase cams 1.7, so it's louder because you're right at the back of the car. And internals 1.5, so it's loud. But front bumper and bonnet, you shouldn't even hear the exhaust pipe basically. Because you're right at the front of the car. You ever stand in front of a car and rev the car? The exhaust pipe's quiet at the back. See, I can adjust engine trim volume bonnet. So the engine's at the bonnet is 6, and then at chase the engine's 1. I wouldn't even hear the engine standing behind the car. Why have they taken that out of the game? I've got turbo volume, I've got trans volume. These are all the things that are in grid 1. And you've got wobble start delay, you've got wobble fade effect for the gearbox, NX fade speed. Got all these. You've got gear wobble up and down loudness. So when you're cruising along, you can hear the gearbox going higher and lower from the amount of revs you got in the car and how fast the car's going. So basically, your gearbox winds. Don't have that anymore. There's so many things in this game. If this is supposed to be a revamp of Grid 1, why is it missing 90% of the files from Grid? Why is all the sound files different? So basically, it's basically a revamp of Grid in the future. I don't know. Not a revamp. It's a revamp, but not a revamp. If it was a revamp, they would basically use the same files, sort of, and keep all these settings in. You got rev limiter loudness, gear sounds up and down, multis, gear wobble, gear rate, gear shift rate. You got downshift loudness, how much the gears wobble and make noise. They all sound like that in Grid 1. And you got gear settings. You don't have to play with them anymore, but... Oh, pardon me. All these settings, but I did all the bank files from original Dirt 2.0 to get a different sound. But I added all the waves. That took a long time. There's so many wave files. I think it's about 80 or 88. Well, all them wave files I have to add all by hand. Each one takes a long time. So if you like your cars to sound beefier, more turbo, more trans. Trans is not loud enough. I can't play with the trans because there's no way. Sorry. I love the backfiring. Since I modded it, the backfiring is more high crackle. One thing they didn't copy over from Grid 1. You know what they didn't copy? Smoke. Well, Grid 1 had brilliant smoke effects, and then Grid 2 came out in Auto Sports, and the smoke disappeared. Oh. There's no smoke! I did a setting in the game settings that make the smoke a bit better. It's black, but there's no smoke. Come on! I've got ultra settings on, maximum of everything, and I still can't get. That's what I like in Grid 1, that had decent smoke. Quite loud there. Ah, why do things gotta eat? So you got the high and low. Good. How you like the high and low? Low. See, you get the high and the low, the acceleration. Like you put your foot down, then you can hear the car. Would like a little bit more. Can't access online, yes, because I haven't got the internet turned on. I don't like the internet on all the time. And some arsehole fucking hacked me fucking eBay account. I have 758 score on eBay. You know how long it takes to get 758? You score up to 700. It's taken me 10 years of buying and selling on eBay. And then some dickhead in Victoria decides, oh, let's hack his account. And then the dickhead changed my last name. And changed my bank account, changed my postal address, changed and put a pile of shit on eBay for sale. Because he was so freaking lazy to make his own eBay account. And then somehow he's got my email address. Don't know fucking how. Must have bought something off me. Got my name and then worked out the email address. I don't know how he got the fucking email address. Or was it actual eBay? It set up the fake account just so you can ring him and sort the shit out. I don't know. But someone, prick, it took me weeks. I had to change my credit cards, my PayPal again, my bank. Oh look, I leveled up, just driving around in a circle. Oh, so funny. What's the point of these things? I have no idea. So what's a stadium truck? Trophy truck. Stock tune, GT, Mini, Classic Touring, GT Touring, F100, Heritage Touring, Heritage GT, Group 7 Special, Renault. No, nothing in that one. GT's got GT1, prototypes, and that's it. Tune is modified, super modified. World Time Attack. That's World Time Attack. I just need 300,000 to buy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. About 1.6 million. So to buy all those cars, you need 1.6 million. What about that? That's a bit annoying, isn't it? So it's not in that one. That's muscle. That's pro stocks. That's the one I basically just played. Oval stock, wherever that is. Jupiter San Maro's oval stock. So I don't think it's that one. There's only those three. And tunes. Apex, I wonder what they are. GTs. Oh, just need $1.2 million. Insufficient funds. Duh. Far out. Well, it's not in that one. Minis, Classic Tours, Classic GT, Classic Ferrari, two Heritage Tours, 2 cars, Skyline or the Sierra. What the hell is this stock truck thing or something? God, that'd be a bitch to drive. No, this one. That'd be a Group Special 7. Nope, unusual looking things. Renault. That's it. Nothing in there. So what's the So how do you get the stock truck? That's Commodore's verse. Ooh, you like me, Commodore? Oh, TIC special. Nope. Nope. Not in that one. Dodge Charger. No. Pro trucks don't really have it either. Well, don't even burn out. And it's 2, 4, 5 more trucks supposed to be there. Don't know what they are. Do you have to actually unlock it to get to the Pro stock? Whatever that is. There's only one in there, so there's... I suppose as you unlock the game... Have a look in career, see if that's in there. Where's the truck one? Commodores. That's Pro Trucks. Road Rumble or the Pro Truck East Tour. It's not in there, so... Well, it'll have to be a DSL or something coming, wouldn't it? DSL. It's not in there. Well, it could be that, the Thunder in the desert. Might be that car, would it? I've got that car now. Well, I'll try that, but I'll do a new video. I can't find that truck, so... So anyone know? Trophy Truck Arena GR. What's the Trophy Truck Arena? That sounds sick, whatever that is. But it must be downloaded yet. Oh. We've got this car, the truck sound file, but actually no truck sound. Wonder if that'll sound any good in the Pro Truck. But the Pro Truck was nice. I could stick it in a Mustang. That'll sound nice. Put that sound in there. Oh, I wonder if I could use that in dirt. That'd be nice. In the GTR 4 on dirt. I know that'll sound like. Well, I'll do a video on that if you want to see what the Pro Truck sounds like. And I could put the Pro Truck in dirt 4. In the Pro Trucks. Instead of those silly sounds. Ooh, could try that too. Oh, I might try some of the sounds out of Grid. I can try these sounds in Grid, in Dirt, and Dirt 4, and Dirt 2.0. It sucks that Dirt 2.0 didn't have stadium trucks. I love the stadium trucks in Dirt 4. I wish this had stadium. It's got stadium truck there, trophy truck. So, arena. I wonder later on down the track if they're going to add stock trucks, stadium trucks, and like they used to have in dirt, but have street ones. You know, you see them on TV. The Pro Trucks and that, the stadium trucks. You see them on the TV racing around the tracks. Wonder if later on for the They're going to have a DLC with it in. Ooh, that'd be nice. All I want is a street racing pro truck or something like that. That'd be cool, wouldn't it? Driving around on 3 wheels. And have monstrous V8s in it. That's gotta be the most decent sound in the whole game. That trophy truck. And the RX-7. That came out really nice. So that's all. Like and subscribe. So my sound mod is sort of working, I think. As soon as I swapped over the sound mod into the Commodore, the sound mod worked brilliantly. Or basically that's what the sound of the trophy truck sounds like without modding it. Who knows? But they need to fix the sound limiter on it. I'm getting some new headphones. It should be louder, hopefully. As the older you get, the more deaf you get. So the more deaf you get, the more louder you have to have it. Only got 1 year to go and I'm half a century. So I've been around a long time and I've played a lot of games, played a lot of sound engineering. Just please fix the sound problem. That's all I want, is the sound to be a lot louder. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the monstrous V8 on the Commodore now. So I'll upload it if you want to, or you can see in the video basically you just get your Pro truck, copy that, just so you put it in the file there, go back to your cars, find your Holden, right click, rename, copy, go back, rename, paste, and let's put it back in the bundle file, bundies. And off you go, you can play whatever sound you like. You can have the Pro truck in a Mini. You want to hear what it sounds like? I can do a video. Oh, I'm going to try it. I'm going to have to try it. I have to try the Pro truck sound in a Mini. Because a Mini has different gear ratios and different weight. So I wonder if that would play effect with the car handling and speed. Because I've noticed the Commodore is only a 5-speed, but the Pro stock is 6-speed. But once I swap the 6-speed over the Pro stock into the Commodore, I got a faster car. Ooh, should say that, because then I realised, oh, people can get faster cars. There's a hack, naughty me. Just gave away a secret. And now they're going to lock the game. So if you're sick of slow cars, put the fastest car in the game engine sound into a Mini. And you can go around the track at 350 mile an hour instead of 160 mile an hour kilometres. Right, so that's all. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Click the bell if you want.